So in this video we are going to discuss about ammonotelism. So basically excretion will be of two types. They are ammonotelism and ureotelism. So in this video we are going to discuss about ammonotelism, and in the next video I'm going to explain about ureotelism. So we know the basic process of the excretion, right? So excretion is nothing but the excreting of waste material which is mainly present in your body. So we know in human beings we are going to secrete urine, right? So in the same way, each and every organism who lives in this world, in this globe, will do excretion, right? And that excretion will be of two types: ammonotelism and ureotelism. So we are going to discuss about ammonotelism in the present video. So ammonotelism is a process of excretion of ammonia and ammonium ions. Okay, so basically this ammonotelism is a process of excreting this ammonia. Basically ammonia is a toxic substance which is mainly present, which will be mainly present in the body, and it should get excreted out. And once it is not getting to excrete out, then our body will become poisonous because of this ammonia, because it is toxic in nature. Okay, so ammonotelism is a process of excretion of ammonia. So this ammonia, how it will get excreted, and basically how this ammonia will be formed in your body, each and everything will be explained in detail in this video. Fine. So the organisms or the animals which will exhibit this ammonotelism process are called as ammonotelic animals. Fine, they are called as ammonotelic animals. So basically the ammonotelic animals are aquatic animals. So some of the best examples of these aquatic animals which exhibit the process of this ammonotelism are fishes, protozoans, cnidarians, poriferans, etc. Okay, and even earthworms. So earthworms plays a major role in this ammonotelism process. And you know what, we know that earthworms are mainly present in the ground region, right? And it is very useful for the farmers. So if that ammonia is secreted out in the soil itself, then it will be used as a natural source for the plants to grow, right? So this growing of the plants will benefit the farmers. Fine. So I have said you right, this ammonia will be excreted out, right, from the particular organism. And that how that ammonia will be excreted out once it is get mixed with the water. So it should get mixed with the water in such a way that it will get eliminated out. Fine. So how will it get mixed with water? So before mixing with the water, how this ammonia is mainly formed in the organism by the process called as oxidative deamination of amino acids. If you want to know more information about this deamination, I have made a playlist of biochemistry, and in that I have properly explained about deamination process, and the link will be provided in the description box. So people who are interested, you can watch that video also. So coming to this oxidation deamination of amino acids, so we know that amino acids will be of various types. Like what I mean to say is that there will be 20 different type of amino acids, right? And these amino acids will get converted into ammonia, which is toxic in nature. But the amino acids are not toxic, but ammonia which is mainly formed from these amino acids will be toxic, and it will get mixed with the water, and then it will be excreted out from the organism, from the body of an organism. So how that ammonia will be produced from that amino acid, this is very important to remember. So how it will be produced, we are going to discuss now. See, here I have mentioned the oxidative deamination of amino acids, right? So the removal of amino acid to liberate ammonia, which is coupled with the oxidation. So by the process of oxidation, I mean by the addition of the water, here what will happen, the this uh, ammonia will be formed from the amino acids. So how it will be formed, let us take. So here in this particular video I'm going to take an example of glutamate. So glutamate is one of the best example of the amino acids. I have said you right, there will be 20 different type of amino acids. So to explain along with the structure, it would be better if I take one example. So I have chosen one of the best example called glutamate. So this will be the structure of glutamate. Okay, so if we know that for each and every amino acid there will be presence of amino group. So this will be your amino group. NH3 is a amino group which is mainly present in this glutamate. Fine. Now this glutamate will use energy source of NADP plus, and that NADP plus will get reduced to NADPH and H plus ions. Fine. And this will lead to the formation of alpha aminoglutamate. Alpha aminoglutamate. How it is formed, if you see here in the structure, so one hydrogen from amino group and another hydrogen which is mainly present attached to the carbon atom will be released out, which will get attached to this NADP and will get released out, it will get reduced out, right, which leads to the formation of this alpha aminoglutamate. And of this alpha aminoglutamate will undergo the process of oxidation where it requires water. So once once it requires water, then what will happen? Then the ammonia will be released out. The ammonia, I mean this NH3 will get released out, and once it is released out, then what will happen? Then it leads to the formation of alpha ketoglutarate. So how this ammonia will be liberated out? So if you see here, NH group is present over here, right? And once the NH group is present and we have added H2O, I mean water, two hydrogen ions are present and one oxygen ion is present, atom is present. These two hydrogens will get combined with this NH group, and this leads to the formation of NH3 ammonia group, and that ammonia will be liberated out, and then the remaining structure will be as it is, and that structure, I mean that particular compound which is mainly present is called as alpha ketoglutarate. So finally, what is the observation which you have to lead here is that the ammonia has been produced from the amino acid, and the amino acid which we have chosen here is glutamate. So from the amino acid, finally the ammonia will be produced. So this is just the amino acid which I have chosen. For each and every type of amino acid, from that 20 amino acids, the ammonia will be produced by consuming this energy as well as the water because of the process of oxidation. Fine. So basically in this type of reaction, it will be happen by using an enzyme called as glutamate dehydrogenase. So by using this enzyme called as glutamate dehydrogenase, the process of this amino acid will get converted to the ammonia. Fine. So now what I have said you previously, basically this ammonia which has been mainly formed will be highly toxic in nature, right? It will be highly toxic in nature. So as it is highly toxic in nature, then it will get combined with the water. It will get combined with the water and it will get excreted out. So this is what the concept which I have explained you before, right? In the introduction part. So as if you see here, so if 1 gram of ammonia is present, then it will get combined with 300 to 500 ml of water. Okay, and then it will get excreted out from the body, right? So 1 gram of, if you want to release 1 gram of ammonia from your body to external environment, then that 1 gram of ammonia should get combined with 300 to 500 ml of water, right? Once it is get combined with that particular quantity of water, then it can get excreted out. So finally what will happen? The ammonia is going to excrete out. So this is a toxic material which is mainly accumulated in your body by this process of oxidative deamination, and after this process the ammonia which is mainly formed will get combined with the water, and this water will be consumed because they are aquatic animals. As they are living in the water, their body contains water, right? And that water will get combined with this 1 gram of ammonia and it will get excreted out. So now what will happen? It's that particular organism, the body of that particular organism will become fresh. I mean, it will become non-toxic because the ammonia will not be present, and again the cycle will be repeated, and again that ammonia will get combined with the water and then it will get released again. It will get excreted again. So this is a process which will be done normally in the aquatic animals, and that process is called as ammonotalism. So this is what the process about ammonotalism. And if you are if you like this video, just press the like button over there and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can comment in the comment section. We are going to clarify your doubts immediately. Thank you.